In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move an unwanted file to the bin quickly and confidently, without accidentally removing something important. First, look for the Google Apps icon. This is the small grid of squares you'll find near the top of most Google pages when you're signed in, such as the Google homepage or Gmail. Give that Google Apps icon a click to open the menu of available Google services. This menu brings all your core Google tools into one place so you don't have to type any web addresses or remember bookmarks. Next, click Drive. That opens Google Drive, your cloud storage where all your files, folders, and shared items live. Let the page load fully so the list of files and folders is accurate. You'll typically see sections like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent, along with a search bar at the top. Drive can show your files as a list or as tiles. Either view works fine for this process. Now locate the file you want to delete. Take a moment to double check the file name, its type, and the last modified date so you're sure you've got the right one. If you have a lot of content, scanning recent can help surface something you worked on not long ago, and sorting by name or last modified can make it easier to spot. You might also glance at the owner information if you're in a shared space, because ownership affects what happens when a file is removed. Once you've found the correct file, click the three dots next to it, often labeled More Actions. This opens a context menu with options related to that specific item. From that menu, click Move to Bin. Drive will send the file to your bin, which is like a recycling area rather than a permanent delete. That safety net is there in case you change your mind later. If you're working with a file you don't own, you'll typically remove it from your view, while the owner still retains it in their drive. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Moving items to the bin helps keep your drive uncluttered and can free up space, especially if you often handle large files like videos. Because the bin is a temporary holding place, you have time to review what you've removed before it's cleared out automatically. And if your goal was simply to tidy a shared folder, removing a file from your view won't affect other collaborators who still need it. That's all it takes. Click Google Apps, click Drive, locate your file, then use the three dots to select Move to Bin. Simple, safe, and effective.